Welcome back to Saas Pro, where we break down simple tech topics, and today we're talking about how to disable I'm Not a Robot on Google Chrome and what you can actually do because this feature cannot be fully turned off. In this video, I'll show you safe methods to reduce how often you see it. Step 1. Open Google Chrome, because the settings you can adjust to reduce CAPTCHA prompts are located directly inside your browser. Step 2. Click the three dots in the upper right corner, since this opens the main Chrome menu where you can access privacy and security options. Step 3. Select Settings, which is where you can manage cookies, browsing data, and permissions that can influence how often websites show verification challenges. Step 4. Go to Privacy and Security, because this section allows you to turn on features like safe browsing and control tracking behavior, which helps websites trust your browser more. Step 5. Go to Third-Party Cookies Only, then select Block Third-Party Cookies, since strict blocking can sometimes trigger more CAPTCHA checks by making sites think your activity looks unusual. Step 6. Clear your browsing data by selecting Delete Browsing Data, because a corrupted cache or cookie set can cause websites to repeatedly ask for robot verification. Step 7. Make sure there are no suspicious extensions by opening extensions from the Chrome menu, as unsafe or automated extensions can cause sites to show CAPTCHA more often. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Saas Pro.